I've been dying to get my hands on one of these and it's finally here. So let's dive right in. What's up everybody, this is Sham from the Cradle of Life and today we're going to be unboxing the Zhiyun, I hope I said that right, the Zhiyun Crane-M3, and this just happens to be the combo kit. So it's the one in the middle. You don't get the microphone, of course, which comes with the Pro kit, but you get this fancy bag. You get a phone holder, a really cool tripod, and of course, the gimbal itself. So let's check it out. This is so exciting. So first off, let me just peel off the sticker. Yeah, it's a bit fiddly, but it's all good. Okay, get rid of that. And here we are. Ooh. Check it out. Now straight up, let's get rid of that. Let's see what else there is in here. Okay, you get the ZhiyunTech.com sort of leaflet, a little bit of a guideline. Don't really need those. Let's get rid of that. Now, what I can say about this bag, first of all, is it is so nice. This is a really good quality looking bag and kind of reminds me of a stormtrooper sort of look, if you know what I mean. It's got a bit of a canvas feel to it. Really looks like one of those waterproof materials, you could say, that you get on jackets and so on. It's got a little pocket here at the top, which you can use. It's very handy. Drop your phone in or some cables. Oh, nice. It's got a magnetic flap. Check this out. Don't know if you can see that well, but yep, snaps right on. And when you lift that up, you get yourself a cool little pocket here where you can put your SD cards for your camera, extra cables, batteries, SD cards, whatever you want to put in there. And on the sides, you have two little cubby holes. Not that big, but I'm sure you could fit a couple of things in there. Small water bottle or something. All right, let's dive in and check out what's inside. So as we open the main compartment of this really cool stormtrooper bag, this is what you see. This is what you get. All right, so in the main compartment, as you can see, they've got some really cool separations here. Obviously, you have the gimbal. There's that bad boy right here. Check it out. Let's take off this paper. And it's a really cool, very cool, very well built little gimbal. And just holding it, it really feels very tactile. It's sturdy, it feels very sturdy in the hand, and it's got that great touch screen. That's so cool to use your little joystick there, a couple of buttons. We'll take a look at those in detail in just a little while from now. So you get your gimbal, a strap for the bag, which feels very well made, really nice. And in here, you get the tripod. Now this doubles up as a grip, an extra grip that you can use to fix onto the gimbal. And this comes with a combo package. It's a little longer than your standard one, and it's very sturdy. It's got a nice grip to it, which allows you to use that, balance off your camera. It just feels really good in the hand. There you go, that's the tripod. Now taking a look at the little compartment over here, let's see what's in there. Feels nice again. It's made of tough sort of plastic with a bit of a mesh to it. Here are all the goodies. Let's take a look at what's in there. A little bit of silicone there. Okay, all right, let's put that on the side. So first up, obviously you got your Crane-M3 manual, which in most cases, we don't really read. I do recommend you read them though, but we don't always read manuals. This right here is the base plate that you can fix onto your camera so that you can hook it up to this part over here. Clicks right in. And in this combo package as well, you get a phone holder. Now just feeling this, now just holding this phone holder, it feels really well built. It's absolutely sturdy. It's made of metal, no plastic and finicky kind of stuff. It's got a nice rubber grip for the back of your phone. and it's very, very sturdy that you can use to attach your phone on. And in here, of course, you've got your cables. Let's take a look at that. This package comes with 4 cables. You've got your USB-C to micro USB. You also have a USB-C to USB, which is this one right here, and your standard USB to USB-C charging cable for the gimbal, as well as a USB-C to multifunction USB. And all these, of course, depend on what kind of camera you're using. And what's also really interesting about this gimbal is the fact that it comes with a built-in light. Now, this has been a really good selling point, and that's the light right there. If you can take a look, I'm going to switch this on in a minute. I am new to this gimbal, so you can take this journey with me, and I will be posting videos on how I get to use this, how I set it up, and I will be using this with a Canon EOS M50 Mark II, using the standard kit lens, which is not heavy. In fact, it is highly recommended to use smaller cameras on this, smaller lightweight cameras on this. Having said that, however, the motors are said to be very strong on this gimbal, so we will be taking a look at that as well. So taking a look at what we get in the bag, here we go. I've laid it all out for you. You get the really nice bag itself, of course, so that holds everything for you. You get the really cool strap that's very, very well made and seems like it's gonna last you quite a while. The super strong, very tough, sturdy phone holder, your assortment of cables, depending on whatever camera you're gonna use, obviously, the USB to USB-C charging. And what's also very interesting with the combo kit, you get these little gel fillers, these little gels that you can put on the light. Now, this is a big selling point for the Zhiyun Crane-M3. Now, just for the sake of demonstration purposes, I've put my trusty old Nikon on here, and take a look. Just switching it on. Oh yeah. What I really like as well is how that M3 lights up right there. It's pretty cool. Now, one of the selling points that I was talking about is this fill light right here that I'm switching on. Look at that. Isn't that cool? You can dim this, you can brighten it, you can change the temperature of it as well. And what's really cool about it is you can put on these cool little gels, and they're magnetic. So you got your red, you got a blue, you got a yellow, and you got an orange as well. As I said before, this is only going to be an unboxing video, so if you have bought the Crane-M3, congratulations, I'm with you there. If you're thinking of buying it, right away I can tell you, yeah, it's really cool. It really feels great, so I would highly recommend that you get one, but I haven't tested it out fully, so do join me in future videos as I put it through its paces and see how well it performs. I'll be taking it out on the road and checking it out in all kinds of scenarios. So do join me. If it's your first time here, do consider subscribing. Hit that like button, and of course, if you have any questions or comments, do feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I will definitely get back to you. Until then, take care. See you in the next one.